Hello India, welcome to Naipayal Hamirpur. This is NCERT Math Solution for class 9th, chapter 2 Polynomials. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 question number 4. Let's continue. First, let's discuss about the formula used in this question. A plus B plus C whole square is equals to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's continue. Just put the value of a, b and c. A square, that will be x square, plus b square means square of 2y, c square means square of 4z, plus 2ab plus 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. What is b? 2y, plus 2bc, 2 multiplied by 2y multiplied by 4z, plus 2ca, 2 multiplied by 4z multiplied by x. Let's continue. It will be x square, it will be 4y square plus 4 is 16 z square plus 2 2s are 4 xy, 2 2s are 4, 4 is 16 plus 16 yz plus 2 4s are 8 xz or zx. So this is the expanded form. Let's continue to the next part. 2x minus y plus z square. A minus b plus c whole square. Square of a plus square of b plus square of c, then minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's continue by putting the value of a, b and c. A square means square of 2x plus b square square of y plus c square square of z. You may also put plus and minus 2. So if you are taking plus, then you have to take minus sign. If you are taking minus, then you have not to take minus sign. 2a is 2x and b is minus y. If you are taking minus sign before, then you have not to take again. B, that is y, and c as z, plus 2c, that is z, and a, that is 2x. Let's continue further. It will be 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 2 2s are 4 xy, 4 xy and minus 2yz plus 2 2s are 4 xz. This is the expanded form. Let's continue further. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z square. Here again minus a plus b plus c whole square. It will be a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc minus 2ca. As this is the minus term, so you have to take all the terms with negative which have a. A square means just put the value of abc. So we can write 2x whole square and plus b square 3y whole square, c square 2z whole square, minus 2ab, minus 2 is to be taken, and 2x and b will be 3y, plus 2bc, 2 b is 3y and c is 2z minus 2ca, 2c is 2z and a is 2x. Let's open the square. 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 2 to the 4 3 is 12 xy plus 2 3 is 6 2 is 12 yz minus 2 2 is 4 2 is 8 xz or zx. So this is the expanded form. Here you have 3a minus 7b minus c, and again you have to take a minus b minus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab plus 2bc and minus 2ca. Here you can see that BC, both negative sign, if are multiplied then the sign will be positive. So let's put the value of ABC. Square of 3A, square of 7B, square of C, and minus 2, A is 3A and B is 7B plus 2 7b multiplied by c minus 2 c multiplied by 3a. Now let's open the square. 3 3 is 9, a square plus 49 b square plus c square, 7 3 is 21 2 is 42 ab, 7 2 is 14 BC and 2 3 is 6 AC or CA. So this is the expanded form for your question. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z minus a plus b minus c whole square will be a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. So put the value of ABC. 2x square plus 5y square minus plus 3z square minus 2x and 5y minus 2 5y 3z plus 2x and 3z. Let's open the squares. 4x square plus 25y square plus 9z square, 5 2 z 10 2 z 20 minus 20 xy minus 3 5 z 15 2 z 30 yz plus 3 2 z 6 2 z 12 xz or zx. So this will be your expanded form. Here we have a minus b plus c square, then a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ca. Again put the value of the ABC. 1 upon 4a whole square plus 1 upon 2 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4a multiplied by 1 upon 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 multiplied by c is 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 upon 4a. Here you can see, if we open the square, 1 upon 16a square plus 1 upon 4 plus 1, these two will be crossed and you will remains with minus 1 upon 4a, and here you can see that these two will be crossed, minus 1. So here you can see that it will cross, so it will remains as minus 1 upon 2a. So in that case, plus 1 minus 1 will be crossed and the remaining part will be 1 upon 16a square plus 1 upon 4, and if we subtract 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2, then they are both negative signs, so they will be added. 2 2s are and 1 upon 4a, a and b. Which sign we will use here? So we will use here, this is the common part of 1 square minus 2ab, a and b, one negative sign, so there will be negative sign, and this is minus 2bc, b and c, so this will be also negative sign, plus 2ca, this is positive sign, so that was the mistake, this is positive sign. So 2 2s are 4, 2 minus 1 will be 1 upon 4a. So this is your expanded form for this question. Thank you for watching. Join us if you get full knowledge regarding to it. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video to your friends. You can also ask your doubts without any charge. Thank you.